Hi, this is Haji, the farmer, live at Demeter Pharma, your only lettuce channel here at Panay, Iloilo, Philippines. At Demeter Pharma, we make your farm work for you. Hello mga friends! Nandito na naman po tayo sa isang episode ng Demeter Pharma, How to Harvest Lettuce the Demeter Way. Opo, it's almost 6 a.m. and we are now harvesting the lettuce. Opo. So, bakit po alas 6 ng madaling araw, ng umaga? Kasi pag ang ganitong oras, super crispy po ang lettuce namin. Okay? Ah, yun no, maganda siya. Okay po. Let's go for a closer look. And we're almost done, guys. Darren, ready na ang iyong order. And thank you for patronizing Demeter Pharma. Kaya kayo guys, yung gusto order for samgyupsal and birthday, holidays, parties, especially this coming New Year and Christmas. Pwede din Halloween. Um, just leave a message and we'll process your orders as we continuously grow in this hydroponic journey of Demeter Pharma. Thank you and God bless. But always remember, here at Demeter Pharma, we make your farm work for you. Thank you and God bless.